Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Pick a heavy sheet and crease sharply to hold shape. Fold the paper in half lengthwise, then open and fold each long edge to the center. Once done, press with a ruler to set the ridge so the structure will channel airflow. Make 2 identical ridged strips. These are your bolt trunks. You must keep folds tight. Small gaps ruin the stiff spine needed for downstream shaping. Continue by snipping angled notches along each trunk to produce branches. You want dynamic irregularity, so vary length slightly. Once cut, gently twist individual branches toward the same side to create curl and depth. This both strengthens and visually mimics fractal lightning. Make small crimps along the spine and branch bases to lock bends in place. As you proceed, test balance by holding the bolt upright. Adjust branch angles until the silhouette reads. To finish, align the 2 trunk halves at their bases and bind them together with tape or glue. Reinforce the joint with a small strip on both sides so the bolt won't flop. Once bonded, add highlights with a metallic marker or a touch of white paint to suggest intense brightness. If branches droop, make tiny interior tabs and retape the base. If the shape is too flimsy, add a thin paper spine inside.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.